start. The present suit is filed by the plaintiff seeking a decree of declaration holding that the sale deeds dated 15/4/2005 and 29/6/2005 in favor of late Chandra Prakash Agarwal deposited with defendant number 1 ICICI Bank Limited, previously the Bank of Rajasthan Limited, and Punjab National Bank, defendant number 2, respectively, and other related documents relating to property number A 59, New Delhi, are forged and fabricated and do not pertain to the said property, and that the sale deed dated 11/2/1986 of the plaintiff related to the said property are genuine, and to declare that the plaintiff is the absolute owner of the said property and has nothing to do with the loan granted by defendants number 1 and 2 to late Shri Chandra Prakash Agarwal. As per the plaint, it is averred that the plaintiff is the owner and in possession of the said property land number A 59, New Delhi, measuring 216 square yards, which the plaintiff is stated to have purchased void registered sale deed dated 11/2/1986 from Shri Sajeevan Kumar Sood, all sons of late Shri Chaman Lal Sood. It is stated that on 18/12/2008, plaintiff received information from the neighbors that a notice has been pasted on its boundary wall whereby a receiver has been appointed. It revealed that one Shri Alok Gupta had preferred an appeal and certain orders had been passed in favor of Shri Alok Gupta. The plaintiff claims that on inquiry it was revealed that the said Shri Alok Gupta had produced sale deed dated 26/10/1971. The plaintiff claims that on verification from the records of the sub-registrar office, no sale deed was found to be registered. The plaintiff hence filed FIR number 88/2009 with the relevant police station. It is averred that a challan has been filed by the police. The plaintiff filed an appeal being SA number 474/2008 before the Debts Recovery Tribunal 3rd, and on 23/12/2008 was pleased to quash the order. The defendant number 1 in the written statement has claimed that defendant number 1 has taken action under section 13(2) of the Sarfasi Act, and that under the said act the plaintiff has a remedy available under section 17 before the Debts Recovery Tribunal, Delhi. Hence, it is stated that in view of section 34 of the Sarfasi Act, the present suit is barred. It is further denied that the plaintiff is the owner of the said suit property. It is averred that the same is owned by late Sri Chandra Prakash Agarwal, who had purchased it void sale deed dated 15/4/2005 from Sri Jagdish Chandra. The said Sri Jagdish Chandra, as sole proprietor of MS Apollo Industries, had created a valid equitable mortgage by deposit of title deeds in favor of the said defendant on 1/6/2005, and had also deposited all original title deeds pertaining to the said property